Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a handy trick for iPhone users, capturing full-page screenshots. Whether you want to save an entire web page or document, this feature is a game changer. Let's dive in. First things first, open Safari and navigate to the web page you want to capture. This method primarily works with Safari, so keep that in mind. Now, take a regular screenshot by pressing the side button and the volume up button simultaneously. Quick and easy, just like you normally would. After taking the screenshot, you'll see a preview thumbnail in the bottom left corner. Give it a tap to open the editing options. Here's where the magic happens. In the top menu, you'll see an option called Full Page. Tap on it to convert your screenshot into a full-page capture. If needed, you can adjust the captured area. Simply drag the handles to include or exclude parts of the page. This is perfect for customizing your screenshot. Once you're satisfied, hit the Done button. Now, you have a bunch of options. Choose Save PDF to Files to keep the full-page screenshot in your device. And there you have it. Capturing full-page screenshots on your iPhone is a breeze. It's a fantastic way to save web articles, important information, or anything else you come across. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, if you have any questions or want to share your favorite iPhone tricks, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy screenshotting!